Good morning to all class 4 students. Hello students, first take out your class 4 science book and then come to the page number B1 which is a chapter 8 reproduction in plants. तो बच्चों आपका जो समेटिव असेसमेंट होने वाला है, असेसमेंट 2 होने वाला है, तो हम उसके लिए रिवाइज करेंगे. ओके, तो आपका जो जो चैप्टर हो चुका है, जैसे कि चैप्टर 8 रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल, चैप्टर 9 एडेप्टेशन इन एनिमल, चैप्टर 10 फोर्स वर्क एंड एनर्जी एंड चैप्टर 11 एयर वाटर एंड वेदर, तो हम उसको और थोड़ा रिवाइज करेंगे. ओके, और आपको थोड़ा क्लियर करा देंगे. ओके, तो आज हम आपका चैप्टर 8 एंड चैप्टर 9 का रिविजन कराएंगे. ओके, तो चैप्टर 8 का पेज नंबर 4 पे आ जाओ, B4 पे आ जाओ, जो कि आपका फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. ओके, तो यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड है, तो हम उस करेक्ट वर्ड को लेके यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में भरेंगे. ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डैश इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द continuity of life on earth. The correct answer is reproduction. Reproduction is important for the continuity of life on the earth. Then come to the question number 2. In birds, baby develop inside an dash. The correct answer is egg. In birds, baby develops inside an egg. Then come to the question number 3. All dash reproduce by laying eggs. The correct answer is birds. All birds reproduce by laying eggs. Then come to the question number 4. A dash lays eggs on leaves. The correct answer is butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs on leaves. Then come to the question number 5. The process of changes from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. Okay. Then come to the page number B6, which is your exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Okay. Here are some options, 4 options. So we should choose the correct option and tick on the correct answer. Okay. Then come to the question number 1. Which of the following animal lays eggs? The correct answer is frog. So we should put tick on frogs. Then come to the question number 2. A white jelly-like substance present in the egg is called albumin. So you should put tick on albumin. Then come to the question number 3. Birds shit on their eggs to keep them warm. Okay, तो warm के ऊपर tick करोगे. Then come to the question number 4. Which animal's life cycle shows metamorphosis? The correct answer is butterfly. Then come to the question number 5. Which of the following animal is not a mammal? Okay, so dolphin, monkey and elephant and mammal, but frog is not a mammal. Okay, so we should put tick on frog. Then come to the exercise B, write T for true and A for false statement. Okay, when the statement is true, so we should put tick on. When the statement is false, so we should put F here. Okay, the first statement is all insects reproduce by laying eggs. This statement is true. The second statement is a butterfly's egg hatches into a tadpole. This statement is false. The third statement is a tadpole hatches out of the frog's egg. This statement is true. So we should put T here. Then the fourth statement is mammals give birth to young ones. This statement is also true. So we should put T here. Then the fifth statement is whales and dolphins reproduce by laying eggs. This statement is also false. Okay. Because whales and dolphins are mammals, so reproduce by baby. Okay. Give birth, not eggs. Then come to the exercise C, name the following. The first question is two animals that reproduce by laying eggs. The correct answer is birds and insect are two animals that reproduce by laying eggs. Then come to the question number 2. Two animals that reproduce by giving birth to young ones. So the answer is cows and dogs are two animals that reproduce by giving birth to young ones. Then come to the question number 3. Stages of the cycle, life cycle of a butterfly is called metamorphosis. Then come to the question number 4. Two mammals that live in water. Whale and dolphin are two mammals that live in water. Then come to the question number 5. The large cluster of eggs laid by a frog is called spawns. Now come to the chapter 9, adaptation in animals. Okay. Now come to the page number B13. Okay, which is a fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here are some words, so we should choose the correct word and put on the blanks. The first question is animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Second question is dash have fins to swim in water. Now fish have fins to swim in water. Then come to the question number 3. A toad is an dash. A toad is an amphibian. Then come to the question number 4. Dash reproduce by giving birth to babies. The mammals reproduce by giving birth to babies. Then come to the question number 5. Dash have hollow bones which make their bodies light. Now birds have hollow bones which make their bodies light. Then come to the page number B16, which is your exercise A. Right, tick the correct answer. Here are 4 options, so we should choose the correct option and put on the answer. Put a tick on the answer. The first question is which of the following is not an invertebrate? The correct answer is lion. Okay, because spider, cockroach and housefly are example of invertebrates, but lion have vertebrate. Okay. Then come to the question number 2. Which of the following is a reptile? The correct answer is crocodile. Crocodile is a reptile. Then come to the question number 3. Which of the following has hollow bones? The birds have hollow bones. Then come to the question number 4. Which of the following is an aquatic animal? Now, octopus is an aquatic animal. So we should put tick on octopus. Then come to the question number 5. Which of the following animal shows camouflage? The correct answer is zebra. So we should put tick on zebra. Then come to the exercise B. Write T for true and A for false statement. The first statement is an earthworm has a backbone. This statement is false. So we should put F here. The second statement is a tapeworm lives inside the host body. This statement is true. So we should put T here. Then come to the question number 3. Hyena is a scavenger. This statement is also true. So we should put T here. Then the first statement is a grasshopper and leaf insects show camouflage. This statement is also true. So we should put T here. Then the fifth statement is koala bear is an aquatic animal. This statement is false. So we should put F here. Then come to the exercise C. Name the following. The first question is 2 example of vertebrates. The correct answer is mammal and birds are 2 example of vertebrates. Then come to the question number 2. 2 flightless birds. Penguin and kiwi are 2 flightless birds. The third question is 2 example of fish. Now cod and shark are 2 example of fish. Then come to the question number 4. The group of animals that can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. The fifth statement is 2 example of camouflaging animals. The correct answer is grasshopper and chameleon are 2 example of camouflage animals. तो बच्चों आज आपका चैप्टर 8 एंड चैप्टर 9 का रिवीजन हो गया. आप इसको और एक बार रिवीजन करो और आपके समेटिव असेसमेंट 2 के लिए प्रिपेयर हो जाओ. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम बाकी का चैप्टर को रिवाइज करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू.